Hi guys, good morning. Welcome back to another vlog. So today we have a new consignment that also landed. The other ones landed yesterday and the day before that, so there are others that have just landed not long ago. Zimedropiwa tu hapa and then I've picked them and I thought of vlogging for you guys to see. So we have oil jars, which I'll show you in a bit. We have egg trays. We have, I believe, from the same supplier, vegetable holders or baskets, more like vegetable baskets, but it can also act as decor for your home. So let me show you in a few. So let me unbox the first one. It's actually already open, and this is the egg tray. Oh my gosh, this is so beautiful. This is so gorgeous. And this is the 18 pieces egg tray. It's so huge. I didn't expect it to be this big. So I have a whole box of that. So I have a whole box of this. This is what an egg tray. It's really huge, by the way. Let me just show you. See, very huge and very unique. Easy to use, to be honest. Oh my gosh, this is beautiful. Wow. Oh, wow, this is gorgeous. Ish. Okay. This is beautiful. Next up is this very beautiful oil jar, and it's actually 700 ml and I thought it was 500 ml, so it's huge. Vizuri, a whole 2 cartons of this. So I have 2 more. Is it 2 more? How many? 1 more box. Let me unbox that. No, 2 more. 2 more remaining. As well, this quality is actually what gets me. This is really good, and I believe I should unbox. I should just remove one so you can see. This quality is so good. This is not even the normal acrylic. This is better a million times. And then it has, see this, and then I don't know what this is for, but it says push to lock, so it's very airtight. Look at that. I should have taken more, but this is very beautiful. Let me see. Push to lock. Beautiful. today is a day later and I'm just making coffee so that I can head out. I have a new consignment that just came in and I want to call my rider to go and pick it for me from the cargo so that he can bring it to town, and then I'll show you. But coffee first this morning because it's still early. I believe it's around 8:30. I'm headed out, so cheers. I'll see you in town. So I'm at the shop and here are the boxes. It's true, we already opened this one, but as soon as she opened this one, I told her not to open that one so that I can unbox with you. So let's do an unboxing. Hey guys, I just got back home and I passed by Carrefour to get a few things. Yeah, that lighting was bad. I passed by Carrefour and got a few groceries because I haven't gotten these things for quite some time. So let me show you. I got this cooking cream. I got some salt. This is what we use as table salt, and this is what we use for cooking, so you can still use this, but this isn't as good when you're eating food to add to your food. So I got both. And then these ones were on offer. I think they were going for 109, so I got these. I haven't bought this for quite some time, so I got one. I want to make my kids a sandwich tomorrow morning, and some sausages. I've never bought this brand, but it was really affordable, because I think it was going for 200 and something. And then I haven't bought this for a while now, so when I passed by Carrefour nikaziona nikakumbuka, oh yeah, so I got 2 packs because I can refrigerate this after I have boiled them za kutumia kwa fried rice mainly. And then I got this Santa Maria spaghettis. They were also on offer, and I also got 2 Zentas. Here they are, 2 of them. They were also on offer at 160. OTC, I think they are 180 or 190. And then I got this spinach for 125. Oops, I believe that's the price. So nilichukua bunches 5, so I got that, and that's it. So I've also not managed to bring the vacuum cleaner home, but I'm going to do that and then do a cleaning video with you in another video to see if it actually works well, because it's the first time that we are importing. But I'm thinking if I have to get another one, I'll get the one that's both wet and dry, because this one is dry. I think you've seen a video when I was at the shop. So yeah, cheers. Let me see you later. If not, I'm gonna see you in my next video. Cheers guys, bye.